You know, well, the overall advice he gave me is you have a right to get your stuff. It's, you know, I'm inhaling. You look at this stuff. You know, some of this stuff I honestly didn't even know was gone. I had forgotten about, you know. So, you know,
Like what, for instance?
an All-American certificate. You know, as far as I knew, it was, you know, I had it framed. Bob Hope had given it to me, you know, for Kodak. And I had presented one, as he said, to J. Edgar Hoover. I mean, these are things that, you know, you live with them in your house on the wall, you forget them. You don't see them, it's wallpaper. And these are things I hadn't seen in 10 years. And I was a little emotional about it.